Click Fill Layer Adjustment icon and add solid color. Change background color to orange. Next, add a new layer. Select the brush tool and choose Hard Brush. Increase the brush size and make a white circle. Now change to fill value 100 to 0. This makes circle invisible. Now select layer, right-click, choose blending option or double-click on the layer, open layer style panel. Apply inner shadow. Change the color. Give some distance and increase the size. Give choke and change opacity. Apply inner glow and change this setting. Add drop shadow and you change this setting. Now add pattern and change this setting. Select the ellipse tool and draw a white color or well. Now change size and rotate Orwell. Select layer and right-click, choose rasterize layer. Get eraser tool and erase some small place in Orwell. Get layer style panel and apply inner glow. Change this setting with me. Now with Alt press, just click and drag, create a duplicate. Select layer and convert to smart object. Press Ctrl+T for change size and position. Duplicate one more and change size and rotation. Now select the All layer and press Ctrl plus G. Select layer and press Ctrl plus J. Get duplicate this group. Now convert to Smart Object. Okay, finally we create transparent water bubble. Now you can get a few copies and change the dimensions to get a beautiful design.